Yes, sir. You already know. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. We're gonna jump right into it. So AMC. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up or down. So we ended the day at around $33.48, up over 12% on today. So pretty much exactly what we expected happened, guys. In our previous videos, our prediction on today was to pretty much have that gap fill down to around $26. We didn't quite get there. We hit a low of around $28.90, guys. And our expectations for the upside was pretty much dead on. We expected a nice recovery, guys. We know on the previous Thursdays we recovered $10 plus, and that one single trading day, guys, when we pulled back to 30 and we shot all the way back up to around $39.55, and then the previous Thursday before that we had pulled back to 38 and shot right back up to 48.55, right around that area, guys. So that was $10 recoveries on both Thursdays. On this Thursday, we expected at least not, we didn't expect the same thing from those Thursdays, but we expected a nice recovery from the major pullback that we seen, at least 50 to 60% of what the recovery was in the past. And that's exactly what we got, guys. The low was around $28.90. We expected a $5 to $6 recovery, which would put us at $33, $34 range, guys. We ended the day at $33.34, and then we hit a high on today of $34.12. So hitting both of those price points on the heads, guys, that's exactly what we wanted to see. And usually come Friday, we usually have a sell-off on Fridays, have that nice recovery on Thursday, and then a nice sell-off come Friday. But this Friday, guys, is going to be a bold prediction, but I'm going to bet that we have another uptrend, nice to keep that momentum going. We're going to have a lot of buying pressure come in on this Friday as well. Usually we have a sell-off though, and they usually want to pull back on Friday, but I feel this Friday will be different, guys. So, and that'll just mean we're getting even closer to our distance. Nation. Now let's cover some news about AMC before we go into the price prediction for tomorrow, guys. And we know that this stock is not a fundamental play, guys, but like I say, it's better to hear positive news and good news surrounding AMC than negative news or bad stuff surrounding AMC. And basically what we got was AMC is now making more money, guys. They making more money from their customers, like with their average costs, with their sales, with that high-ass popcorn and candy. They usually make about, right here, the average transaction at major theater chains AMC and Cinemark as of March 2020 were $22 and $17. Data points found both companies saw those figures dip during the pandemic, but they have since gone up past their pre-pandemic averages. And as of June, Saturday, at $26 for AMC and $21 for Cinemark. So that's some good that's some good profits in between to be able to go $4-5 up on their average transaction price per customers. That's a lot of dough when you add it up through the millions of customers. With the biggest movie theater chain in the world, they got the most theaters, so that's millions of people that's going up and having those transactions. So do that times $5. That's a lot of bread, guys. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into the prediction for tomorrow. So 33.48 was the close, guys. We had a nice solid uptrend staircase pattern going on today. So I feel like we could see that same pattern going into tomorrow. So if we do, we got a nice support looking like it was ready to form going into power hour. Like I told y'all, we noticed that every time we broke through resistance on the day, we always use that new resistance level, that previous resistance levels at a form of support as we continue to trade. Like for instance, when we pulled back this morning to $28.90 and we shot up for our first peak of the day at 11:10, hitting $34.36. Once we pulled back to $31, and that was our resistance points from opening bell 31. We went no lower than that, and then from there we rose above that resistance at 32.36, and once we broke above that sent us straight to around 33.24, and once we pulled back from 33.24, we went no lower than 32.36. We came back to 32.67, meaning our resistance, what we need to get the breakthrough to get to 33 was 32.36. But once we pulled back, after breaking through 32, we went no lower than 32, meaning now that resistance is being treated as a form of support that's a staircase. So guys, that was great. And then as we went into close and closed throughout the remainder of the day, we stayed up above $33, guys, which then, our last resistance was 33. That's what we had a breakthrough. That's what we need a breakthrough before we see our next leg up around $33, $34. And we stayed above 33. So that was a great sign, guys. So if we have that same pattern going into tomorrow, I see us, if we pull back, we're going to have turbulence along the way. They always say, always talking about a pullback. There are always going to be pullbacks because nothing goes straight up, nothing goes straight down. So we're going to have turbulence. And when we see that pullback tomorrow, we just want to, as long as we stay up and steady making this staircase, we're in a great position. As long as we stay up above, our first support is around $32. If that don't hold, we'll come down to 31. We'll hold 31, $30. And then we'll easily work our way back up, slingshot back up. I see us going to around $35, $36 tomorrow. And then 36.50 is a key point. If we break above 36.50, we could close right around that wall at $38, $39, guys. So you already know, but we expecting that 35, 36 close. So that's all we really got for this video. We just want to give y'all a quick update on AMC all around and give y'all the expectations on our thought process and what we believe the price will do on tomorrow, guys. So you already know, consider joining the family if you like these type of videos, all that good stuff. Also add your boy over on Instagram. Do that right now. And also don't forget to get your free stock in the description down below. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.
Yeah.